So you might be in a situation where for some reason your widgets are missing on WatchOS 26. So maybe your widgets on your main display are kind of missing, or when you go inside of the bottom panel, not this one, when you swipe up from the bottom, these widgets might be missing as well. Number one, the first thing to understand is that all these widgets are interchangeable. So you can always go through, swipe down from the top of your widget panel like this, and you can tap on the little edit button. So tap on edit, and you can add a widget this way. So you can go through, find the widget that you actually want by clicking on the plus button, and you can add in that additional widget just from this particular page. So go through, add in that widget, see which one you want, and that's an easy way to kind of fix the problem. Sometimes there can also be some issues where the widget that you added may have some like application discrepancy or some issues like that. So you can always try updating your WatchOS version and seeing if there's an update. So tap inside of your digital crown, go inside of the settings application that's available right there, swipe down until you find that general tab right here, click on software update, and try seeing if there's a software update available. If there is, you can try just updating the watch itself, and that could be another really easy thing to go and fix here because that might end up fixing the problem for you. If you do that and that's still not working, you might want to try restarting your watch. So you can hold down on that side button on the side right here, tap on that power button, try restarting your watch, and that's another really easy thing I'd recommend fixing here too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.